Today we're going to bring our door lock. We're going to replace the old one that we had here. We're going to add the new one and see how it looks. All right, so let's go ahead and set it up. This is a double, and they do give you the template with it. All right, so in case you need to pre-cut your hole, this is it, or you don't have enough of the clearance, this is where you get the template from.
Line with a template usually is at 2 3/8, so you just fold it. You set it up like this, and it should get your center up there. And this is your other marker point. Right there.
Remember the day that you went to the house and I texted you? I didn't believe it. I went through Isaac's closet, but it's not.
So we set it up already. It's all set up. There's 4 different ways of entering. We're going to show you the first one, which is the keys. Old-fashioned way. Just put the keys in there. Remember, the deadbolt's on the top. Unlock it, and that's it. That's one way. And it locks automatically. Now we're gonna do the key fob, all right? And the key fob, very simple. You gotta program with your phone. Go ahead and do that.
0, 0, 3.
Open it.
Unlock.
And that's another way you can unlock it. Now, another way is you could keypad your instructions in here. We program it already, but we're not gonna show you that process to show you any of our information in here. Now, the other way is to key your fingerprint.
0, 0, 2. Unlock.
We got it open with the key with the fingerprint, but there's another way you can actually unlock it, and the other way is through your actual app. Unlock it,
9, 9, 7. Unlock.
and there it is. Very simple. All right, this is the inside of the actual system. It takes 4 AA batteries. You can manually lock it in here, and here's actually the button for the deadbolt. If you don't want the system to come in with either keys or passcode or anything, you could just manually lock it through here too. Very simple, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.